Hello guys, welcome to my channel BeatbyShahed. Today we will make aloe vera oil. For this we will need one aloe vera leaf. Wash it properly. Cut the aloe vera leaf into small pieces. Take a bowl of steel or glass because we need to heat up the bowl in next step. Put coconut oil in the bowl. You can take as much oil as you need to make. I will make a quantity of a week. Now let's go to the next step. Take any container, take some water and give it a well boil. Make sure it's hot enough. The water is boiling. Now I will stop the heating. Now take the water container and keep the aloe vera oil bowl onto the water. Cover the container so that the heat can stay inside. Within a minute you will see the oil is starting to warm up. Keep this for 15 to 20 minutes. Then the oil will be ready. The aloe vera oil is ready. Now remove the aloe vera slices so that you can use the oil. The oil will reduce your hair fall. A little tips for you: don't throw out the aloe vera slices. You can use it on your hair. It will reduce roughness of your hair. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a very good day.